Hey y'all, welcome back to Island Vibe Cooking. In today's video, I will be showing you guys how to make sweet lemon pepper chicken bites. You guys, they're so good. You're going to love this recipe. It's sweet and savory. Stay tuned, and if you're new here, do not forget to subscribe, like the video, and let's go. Okay guys, let's begin. I am pouring some vinegar on my chicken breast. Now, I don't want to hear it, okay? Do not clean your chicken if you don't want to clean it, but I have to clean it. That's a must for me, so I'm going to do it. Stop with the cooking, clean the chicken. No ma'am. Let me clean my chicken, okay? I'm just kidding, you guys. So right after I am done cleaning it with some vinegar and rinse it off with some cold water, regular room temperature water, I am going to cut them into bite size. You can make them as big as you want or as small as you want. It's your chicken. Do what you want to do. Once you're done cutting your chicken, I am going to add it in this plate right here. Your nice and clean chicken breast, and I also remove the fat. It's just something I feel like doing. I remove some of the fat, most of it. Now I am going to sprinkle some salt on my chicken breast, and of course I'm using my favorite spice, which is the Island Vibe seasoning, baby. The link will be down below if you guys are interested on purchasing that. Next, I will be adding some lemon pepper, of course, because this is a lemon pepper chicken bites recipe, and as well as some garlic powder and some ground black pepper. And also I added some lemon zest in there as well for some kick, and also I added half a lemon juice in there. Okay. This is going to be some delicious lemon pepper chicken bites, I'm telling y'all. Next, I added 1 egg in there, and I am using the best tool in the world, which is my hand, to mix everything together. Once I am done, I am going in with 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. Just add that in there and mix it up. Alright, now everything is nice and mixed together. Now I am going to cover this and put it in the fridge for 30 minutes. You can leave it up to 1 hour or overnight, even better. It'll taste even tastier. Okay, just put it in the fridge for now. Now moving on, this is about 30 minutes later. I am adding 2 tablespoons of peanut oil in this skillet right here. And then I am going to add my chicken in there. Now you can deep fry your chicken if you want, or just fry it, but I wanted to kind of keep this a little healthy, you know, minus all the oil. So I just use it, I just cook it just like that. It'll cook anyways. Okay, you can deep fry it as well. Like I said, I just wanted to do something more healthy, less oil, if you know what I'm saying. Once one side is nice and golden, you see that? It's nice and golden brown. Now I am going to flip it over, okay? Now this chicken remind me of like Asian style type of chicken you will find like at Panda Express. It's just so good. Now once you're done flipping all your chicken over, I am going in with half a teaspoon of minced garlic. Once that is nice and fried or turned golden brown, I am going in with some vegetable stock that I made myself, you guys, and I do have a recipe coming, stay tuned. And then I am going to add 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. This is light brown sugar, by the way. Just add that in there to give it that sweet, you know, and savory flavor. You can add more sugar, maybe 2 tablespoons if you like, but I added 1 tablespoon. Give that a quick mix really quickly, and then I am going to add some cayenne pepper. Yes, to give it some kick, some fiery taste to it, you know, so it's not like bland. It's not bland, but you want some to spice it up a bit. Now this is it right here. Just mix it up together. Look at that. Now I am going to add the rest of the vegetable stock in there, which is 1 cup in total. Just add that in there, let it simmer until it's nice and thick and gooey. You know, just like that. Just like that, guys. And basically this is the recipe. It is perfect with white rice. Y'all know Haitian love rice, and I had to come through with some white rice. Just add that in there. Whew, whew. Yes, Lord. It's just so juicy and so good. If you love sweet and savory, this recipe is for you. I'm telling you, your kids, your hubby, whoever you're cooking for will love it. Mwah. It's just so good. Please give the video a thumbs up for me, guys. I appreciate every single one of you guys who's been commenting, liking, sharing my videos. Stay tuned for another one, and I will see you guys soon. Bye.